What's up, America? Tony from the Real American Outdoors here, and today we're going to be talking about ways that you can store your extra batteries that you may have. And today we're going to be showing you the DocSafe battery case. So DocSafe is a company known for its fireproof protection for various documents and safes and things like that. But they also make this cool little battery case. Kind of the exterior, it's this black kind of grip texture here. It has two zippers on the outside, and it also has this nice sturdy handle here for all the batteries. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, so here we have what she looks like opened up. As you can kind of tell, there's each individual slots for batteries to go. As you can see, I haven't quite filled the double and triple A's yet, and I have one more 9-volt here and a few of the 2032s and the smaller guys here. But what I like it holds each individual battery with this nice foam material separately, so we can hold up to 6 Ds, 8 9-volts, 8 Cs, and then it's about 50 AA's and about 50 AA's here, and then we have our smaller batteries here. Also comes with 2 pouches here, and this comes with a little battery charger, so it's kind of cool. We'll just take a AA battery here, and then we can put it up against the charger. And you can see this battery is pretty much at full strength. So came with a little charger. I don't know how accurate it is over the long term, but definitely nice to have. In this pouch, I just keep extra of the smaller batteries or stuff that the size doesn't come with here. So I know there's other ones on the market that are a little more cheaper, like the Battery Buddy, and you can see it. So obviously you can't really see what you have in here, but you open up, you can easily see what you have. This is kind of my cheaper battery, my dollar store quality battery box. I keep my good ones separately. So as you can see, these are like the Dollar Tree brand. We have some Dollar General house brand here for pretty much everything here. The Panasonics, this is like the Dollar Tree dollar style battery brand. So I keep these in here because these are good, batteries if someone needs to borrow them, or you can trade for them if someone needs, you can barter with these with the dollar store quality battery, because you don't want to give up your good batteries in the event of like a storm or a power outage, grid down, something like that. So always good to have storage for your batteries. I know where they are. This this cube shape, it can store really easy, nice grip texture. It's not going to slide anywhere depending on where you keep it. So my goal is to fill up 3 of these, one for my cheap batteries here, which I'm well on my way. Another one for my good high quality batteries, my Energizers, my Duracells, and my third one I want to do is for like rechargeable batteries from like Amazon or any other rechargeable company, things like that. So quick, easy way to get your battery stored nice and safe and somewhat fireproof. But so do what works for you. And I like this because with the individual slots, you can kind of make it a challenge for yourself to try to fill these up, and be prepared as much as possible with batteries, because so many things take batteries, flashlights, handheld radios, things like that. So always good to have extras of these, and you never know we're going to need them. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out for videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Also follow us on RealAmericanOutdoors.com for the American Fishing Challenge and the Ice Bowl that's just getting underway. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.